In primetime news this evening, at least 2/3 dead in major motor vehicle crash in St. Anne.
Prime Minister expresses alarm and regret over teen fatal shooting case.
And Melissa, wife of former PNP MP Jordan Silvera, laid to rest today. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. Also a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. With a preview of what's to come in the financial week, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Kalisha, the CEO of the Jamaica Public Service, JPS, has resigned. I'll have those details as well as some news surrounding the compensation for public sector workers, particularly looking at overtime.
Okay, and from Javon, we go to Jordan Fort. He's here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan.
Well, Herman, the JFF elections, which were set to take place this Sunday, have been postponed, I should say, after an injunction by the courts. I'll give you all the details in Primetime Sports Friday.
Thanks, Jordan. And a little later on, Romain will tell you what's coming up in the weather reports.
Now, there's also sports commentary and E-Pram in this newscast. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
Nearly 2 weeks in, how faithful have you been to your New Year's resolution?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.